Taste it and give me a rating. If it's good, it's 10. Okay? Let's taste it. Let's say, make a... How about Daddy? What's the rating?
Pretty good.
Oh, how many? What's the rating?
Probably 8.
8?
Yeah.
How about you? Daddy, what's the rating? Good. Ha, it's my turn. What's the rating daw, Dad? 1 to 10. What's this rating? 8? 8?
Thank you.
8.
Cheers.
10 ka no, 10.
100.
Ah, 100 ka na yung white. Oh.
Dirty Diana.
Pareho kayong rising? 8 ka no?
Dirty Diana.
Oh, we're in vegan. See, this is the famous vegan. What's this? Cake?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Chongson. Marsha's. Yes, it's Marsha's, not Chong. The original is Chongson. Yes. Pero Marsha's is famous. Walang kasabalan eh. These are the old houses, the real houses where they live. This one. See? Look at their houses. It's the Spanish era. Those are the houses when it's,
There's some momo inside.
all of them are made of wood. See?
Our house is made out of cement.
Yeah. Their windows are made of kapis.
Diana.
Kapis, you know kapis?
Diana.